What's up, YouTube? All right, welcome to Michigan Outlaws.
It's not a 14, it's a 12.
And there's Jake sneezing.
Allergies.
So, Cam got some subs, and we're gonna be putting that in.
Oh yeah, my boy Tyler over there, he got it all hooked up and ready to go, so we just have to put it behind the seat now and just make it look pretty. Let's do it.
I'm gonna go to the other side. All right. What size are these?
13, I lied again.
What?
Oh, it's actually a 13 this time.
So these are the cool ones that you can throw behind the seat. I think you can get some that go underneath the seat too.
Yeah. Supposedly it's custom made just for this style truck this year. So we will see how accurately it fits back here. As it looks like it's gonna be a tight fit. We'll see.
We also got another surprise to this truck that we'll do after the subs. It's gonna be amazing. Can't wait. What's taking so long?
You did.
Just wait, buddy.
Yeah, me and Tyler, spoiler alert, we tried this already and it's a nightmare.
Less than ideal.
Custom fit means like to the millimeter or something. I don't know. It's all right. So we just loosened up the seats here. Hopefully they just kind of pull out now. Maybe. And then, oh, there it is. All right. All right. So now that we got that out, we can tilt this one up a little bit and then shimmy this baby right in there and then put it all back together. That's the plan, at least. We'll see how it works out. Stay tuned.
Not yet.
Stop it.
I wish I could.
How's it working?
Put it my way. There.
Your seats
And
roll.
go your way.
Hold up, hold up. Fingers crossed. Alright, my way. Shove it your way.
There it is.
Oh,
we go.
there it is.
Oh, there it is. Maybe.
Look
That
at
does not look like enough room for my seat to sit back.
It is. Look at it. Custom, dude.
You don't have to worry about tying it down.
Yeah, for real.
You shouldn't have to take out that.
Shouldn't have to, Chris, but it looks like we have to.
Are we taking out? You want your subs to bump or you want them to not?
Do you want a back
Do
seat
you want
or
them to
not?
bump or do you want them to flump?
Flump. I feel like we might just have to rip this whole thing out.
You have that option as well.
Might as well do that before you cut into it.
You still have to cut in it because that wire. Unless you put.
Well, that wire was just put there, so we can probably just back that out.
It's removable, Chris.
Oh.
Idiot!
Updates.
We had to rip out this back liner here because there just wasn't enough room here for this custom fit. So we ripped that out. Now we're gonna put it back in and see if we have some more room here.
Plenty.
Well, it's more than before.
See if you can flip that up, Cam.
Heck yeah.
I don't know. Jake is supposed to order pizza like an hour or 3 ago. I'm so hungry.
Were you
This
at
apple
that
looks
Buffalo
decent
Wild
size.
Wings like 3 hours ago?
Pretty good.
Oh. Is that good?
No.
A little ripe?
A little bit.
It ain't apple season here in Michigan.
You just take this and then it goes like that.
What is this for?
It's just for extra storage, but I don't know why you would ever have that when you have all the storage back there. This truck is huge. You don't need more storage. But
Yeah,
now
and
you
why?
can see
Why metal though? Cause like you can just throw it on the floor itself.
there's damage on the floor, dude. But now you can
That's
see
a lot of damage.
there's no room under the seats for a sub. There's barely enough room for this, and that folds up. So no sub there. Anyway,
All right. Big reveal time.
this is gonna be huge.
Ready?
Got some new tires, and they're looking beefy. So
What size are they?
it's 20.
He doesn't even know what size they are. God.
So I got 20 by 12 rims and 33-inch
There's
tires.
already a nail in here.
I got the...
Yeah, and right there.
Alright, so I got the Nitto Terra grapplers and ballistic wheels. Haven't heard of those before, but they look pretty sweet.
By Fuel?
They're ballistic brand.
Is it?
So I don't know if that's a part
What's
of
the
Fuel
model?
or not.
Why not?
Probably says
We'll show
over
you here in a minute.
Probably says right there.
Who's got a knife? Oh man.
Man, these are
Dude, look at that. Look at that
These are
rim,
rad.
dude.
Dude, I didn't know you got the square ones. Those
Oh,
are
yeah.
sick.
square wheels, baby. It's the only way to go. These things are wrapped up really good.
You gotta keep that investment safe.
That's right. Wheels are an investment.
Ooh.
Dude, this is gonna look really good.
Those are so saucy.
Oh my goodness.
Look at
Look at that, man.
That's gonna look real good on there.
Dang.
Oh yeah.
You made sure to get the plastic wheels, right? Little tykes.
Little tykes. Only the best around here.
All right, we're gonna get all 4 of these unwrapped and ready to put on the truck. So we're gonna go do that right now. We're gonna see what they look like on Caleb's truck.
Ooh.
You're the one that can't see very well?
Right, that's what I was gonna say.
Oh, buddy.
Back up.
Oh, buddy. You know what you gotta do now.
The bronze with the white's always looking good.
Dude, I've been thinking red for a while, but honestly, bronze,
These things are so freaking wide.
Yeah, they are.
like, you know,
Here's Caleb's tire.
It's
There's
beef. All right, let's get this baby rolled over and see how it looks
All right.
next to mine.
So we're gonna showcase the ugly tires that he has now. That's gonna look
You
good.
got them dirty already.
I did. I'm so sorry. Those are minty right there. Mmm.
all right. So let's
Delicious.
stop looking at it. Let's stop talking about it. Let's be about it. Go.
All right, so what else came with these is a whole handful of new lug nuts. And for some reason, 4 Allen wrenches that
Did we all get an Allen wrench?
I'm not really sure why you would have these to put your wheels on.
No, it's
Especially
a
when
cap.
It's a cap.
they're plastic.
They're plastic.
That's it. Don't screw it. Go. Right here, buddy. Come on.
It's just, it's
Online.
plastic. I don't know what.
Look at this thing. The
Clearly they
Hey,
didn't use
can
it.
you guys come here real quick and look at this? All right, let's give this a try.
Jeez.
And that one's no good. Let's try another one.
What are they for?
Are you on the right one?
Yeah.
That's the only real one there, and this one down here, and this one looks like it's already almost stripped
Oh,
out.
there's one.
I got the almost stripped one. We're on a good streak.
No, we're not. I just broke one.
50% is still a passing grade,
All right, Jake got one.
I think.
A little bit of flex. Flex never hurts. Oh, this isn't good. We're gonna need some real Allen wrenches here.
Thank you, Custom Offset, for sending us 4 of them because 2 of them already broke and we're only 1 in.
That's why they sent 4.
No, we're just gonna get real ones because plastic ones don't work. All right, we found out that these are different size than the other ones. The other ones are 3/4. This is 13/16. Good thing
Whoa.
they come out. Well,
They come out, just not out of the socket.
all right. I think I'm gonna need some help lifting this baby.
We have a pry bar. You can just roll up on it. And...
Are we good to go?
Oh yeah. Now remember, there's 2 sets of holes. Choose the right one.
Here, Caleb, you get here and line up the holes.
Man, I like being the cameraman.
Go up right there. You're in.
Woo. Dude, that looks good.
Is that negative 50?
Dude, that looks good.
That's gonna look so
I mean,
good.
we can try switching holes.
See the front tire just
but you're
not
not even
sticking
gonna
out at
get-
all? Mm.
All right, so we just got these tires on here, and they're looking real good. Now, the only disappointing thing is that Chris pointed out that when we have this little cap here, I won't be able to go into 4-wheel drive because, as you can see, Ford ingeniously put, you have to have access right here to flip it in between four-wheel drive
Manual locking hubs.
and not four-wheel drive. So there is no hole on those ones. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I guess I'm just gonna have to not put the cap on the front for now until I figure out something else.
Hole saw, pal. Get yourself a big old hole in that thing.
Or just put the cap on and don't use four-wheel drive. You don't
Really
just drive this
disappointing.
truck anyway.
Really disappointing. So we're gonna have to figure that out, and I don't know. We'll see. Oh, it's so good. Now, Jake, what are the chances that I get pulled over tonight because it just looks too good and it's illegal?
Absolutely 0%.
Am I gonna get a ticket for that, or?
No.
Okay, well, this
No,
didn't go.
You don't even have a
according
train
to plan.
horn. Quit tooting
This-
your horn.
All right.
Dude, over here.
All right.
So we kind of ran into a little problem with
Another
the
one.
fronts. Another one.
It's like DJ
Khaled.
Khaled.
So yeah, that's just bouncing right out of there. We might have to go with the old hand tighten method with that.
So the studs on the front are longer than in the back, so our short socket is just not long enough. Should have brought a deep well, but I didn't. So we didn't find one in Tyler's garage, so we're gonna have to drive somewhere probably.
We can tighten it down good enough to get them home. You can just get a socket then. Cause that actually tore the tension down pretty good. It wouldn't be super sketchy.
Whoa!
Unlike that.
Oh no, dude, she's going.
Somebody give a man a hand.
Nah, now you got yourself into that mess.
Talk about sketchy. All right, hold on.
We're good.
Maybe.
Yeah, he's not good.
Need a real talker.
Anyways.
There's a little slant.
Somebody give me a hand.
Put a rock in there, dude.
I can't hold a hand for a rock in there. Somebody do something.
I got a camera.
Cameron's probably dying.
We'll just standing here.
There we go. Perfect.
Is it?
Now it's Jake's problem.
Oh well.
Oh.
See, I fixed it. Just gotta not be bad at things. Let's run home. Grab some sockets.
And some food.
All right. While we were out getting another socket,
7,000 hours later.
7,000 hours later,
I
we
got
had
a biscuit.
he's got a biscuit. We had to stop and get food because we're all hungry. Chicken nuggets. Look at
Poppy
that.
nuggies, dude.
Make sure you don't eat on camera.
Poppy nugs.
And a
The old
root beer float.
KFC and a root beer float. Because A&W and KFC are sharing the same
That's what you
unit.
gotta love about the same unit.
The same unit.
All right, we are back 17 days later with a longer socket. Almost forgot what it was.
3/4 of the sorts.
Yeah, so now it fits on there, nice and perfect, and we can snug these up, quick change out the other one, and then go to bed because we have to get up early to go to a kayaking trip, so I need my beauty sleep, clearly.
Caution, cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in a cage, I'ma let out the. Wake up, get out the sheets. We came for war, man, forget my peace. You take the west, I'll take on the east. I'ma put him in the cage, never let out the. Yeah, I hear him chatting the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man, so tough, but man's keep walking. Yeah, just too sharp with the prize. White girls, let her tell me I'm awesome.
Gotta get them shots, boy.
A little bit tire rub, but it's fine.
That's all right.
Just a little bit.
Just a bit.
You don't notice when you're going straight, so.
That's all that matters.
Right.
It looks so good.
Very good.
Rubbing on something.
This way.
Just
Trim it down a little bit, you're good.
Oh, that didn't sound healthy. Did it rip off?
Here's running everything. All down here, this thing.
What?
It's fine.
Say it's time for a leveling kit.
Looks like it, dude.
Got a leveling kit.
What? No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
That's a
Looks like it's time for a 2.5-inch lift up front.
That's a dumb lift. Leveling kit. There's no way.
I promise you, I did it.
Guys, yeah.
Did you actually install the pieces, or did you like unbox them, take it apart, and then put it all back together without the pieces?
Oh.
It doesn't even look level, dude.
Yeah, it did when I had smaller tires on it. Now it doesn't because they're bigger tires.
If it doesn't matter.
Park there a second. Oh yeah. You can trim that down. Just gonna pull the bolts from underneath. Cut that plastic part off.
Now, good grief! Why can't anything go smoothly? It's
Hey.
always something.
Michigan Outlaws way, baby.
All right. Finished up the truck. Got the wheels on.
Got the seat
Got
in,
the seat in.
subs in.
Subs.
Everything works.
How you
Just need a
feel?
little bit of modifications.
How you feel? You
Look,
like
I'm
them?
glad. This thing though looks great now. Like, I'm really glad with the choice of wheels I went with. I think it's gonna be really nice. It just needs that little bit of tweaking in the front because it rubs a lot more than I thought it was going to. So no full turns for me, which already kind of sucks because this thing does not have a great turning radius, and now it's just worse. But that's just a, you know, quick little buzz here, buzz there, and just take off excess weight. So this thing's gonna be a drag racer in no time. Well, that's that for that. The old Ford is looking pretty spiffy now.
Mint. I'm jealous.
Very mint. Thick boys on there, nice and beefy. Also got the subs put in, and it sounds very good now. That thing did not have any bass before. It was pretty much negative bass, and now it bumps pretty decent. Got the 210s in there, so nothing too crazy. Just that little bit of extra on top that you need. So now that that's looking good, go make yourself look good and pick up some of these shirts here. Got a link down in the description. Brings you to our merch site. Go check it out. All that money just goes right back into us paying for gas on all these trips.
Gas, equipment,
Parts.
Everything.
check out Instagram. You can see all the stuff that is not on YouTube and some more personal stuff.
Oh yeah.
Stay up to date with us. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Passion cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in a cage, I'ma let out the